Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Thank you for purchasing Yugo Machine products. From this channel, you can learn how the veneer pillar machine works and how to use our machine. The most important thing is to make parts parallel and perpendicular. This sentence is very important. I will mention it often in the future. Let's look at the side view of the machine. I have marked the names of the parts. Let's look at the parallel in the picture. I draw a straight line from the double ruler. It's perpendicular to the rail. I also draw a line from the knife slope. We can see also perpendicular to the rail. Certainly, from this picture we can know the double ruler and the knife slope are parallel. Let's look at the top view. There are many parallel lines in the picture. For example, the three rulers are parallel. The ruler is parallel to the knife. It's not difficult to adjust around those lines. The difficult thing is how to quickly find which line problem. I will share with you some cases in the future. If you like my channel, please like and follow. Thanks. Okay, let's start studying the content of chapter 1.